Welcome back to Autoscope. Interesting interior elements. Skoda is renowned for its simply clever storage options, which are both intelligent and modular. This might be in the form of adjustable storage systems and concealed cabinets and drawers in the 2026 RV. An energy-efficient compressor refrigerator, a sink with a lid that serves as an extra work surface, a portable or integrated induction stove, and a special area for storing food and cooking tools are all examples of an ergonomic and multi-purpose kitchen area. Integrated control system to regulate the motorhome's numerous features, including lighting, heating and cooling, water level, and battery condition. There will probably be an easy-to-use central control system, ambient lighting adjustment, and LED lighting system with color and intensity adjustments might be available, sustainable and cleanable. Materials. Skoda is probably going to employ interior materials that are long-lasting and simple to clean. External elements and appealing features. Pop-up roof with extra bed. For families or small groups, having a pop-up roof with a double bed could be a desirable feature. Integrated solar power system. To lessen dependency on outside power sources, the 2026 Skoda may be equipped with integrated solar panels on the roof as an option for charging extra batteries. Smart Water and Wastewater Solutions. It will be crucial to have an effective and user-friendly water management system. Enhanced security systems. Motorhomes may be outfitted with extra security measures, such as a GPS tracking system, extra security locks for windows and doors, and a dedicated alarm for the living space, in addition to the vehicle's normal security systems. Simple external connectivity, TV satellite connections, water filling, and easy access to external power outlets will all be crucial factors in the exterior design. Possible extra complex features, improved park assistance, adaptive cruise control with stop and go capability.